That seems to be successful, so we'll just click finish here. Now I'm just going to search for the program just downloaded. So that's the second one here. So I'm just going to right click and pin that to the taskbar. So this is it down here now. This is Paginated Report Builder, Power BI Report Builder. So I click that now to launch the program. So the getting started, we'll just close that down for the moment. And so we'll just click here on new and data source. Sorry, no, it's the first one here, Power BI dataset connection. So we need to sign in first here.